Want to supercharge your weight loss journey with a natural, delicious tea? Imagine boosting metabolism, curbing cravings, detoxing and reducing inflammation, all in one fragrant cup. Yes, in a clove and ginger tea cup. Stick around to uncover the power of ginger plus clove. First off, ginger and clove will help boost metabolism, and that means your food will be digested faster than it should be, reducing the capability or possibility of fat being accumulated in your body. Ginger and clove have very bold components which help you burn calories faster, potentially helping melt your fat faster, and that means you will not be fat. A weight loss hack. Number 2, it suppresses appetite. Are you feeling like you really want to feast on snacks and carbohydrates and everything, those funny cravings? Ginger will create, when you take this type of tea, ginger and clove tea will create a sense of fullness so that you automatically eat less. That works like Ozempic, right? Number 3, it aids in digestion. Now, ginger is good at fighting bloating. That means no constipation. So good digestion is very key in our bodies, and this too will help you do that. Cloves, on the other hand, helps activate your digestive enzymes, improving nitrogen absorption. So that means not really nitrogen, but nutrients absorption. So that means you have dealt with any digestion problem. Number 4, it balances blood sugar. Now, for everyone who is diabetic or they just fight with insulin in their bodies, it is not where it's supposed to be. When you take your ginger and clove tea, it will help stabilize your sugar levels, and that means fewer cravings. So ginger improves insulin sensitivity so that it can act on whatever it's supposed to act on, while cloves help regulate glucose spikes. Yeah. Number 5, it supports detoxification. Now, cloves and ginger have components which help you flush out toxins from your system. Okay, that means a healthy liver, that means every nutrient is being directed to the right place, and that means your body now operates smoothly. Number 6, reduces inflammation. Now, inflammation is that feeling of pain all over your body, in your joints, in your muscles, etc. Now, that is as a result of something we call oxidative stress. So when you take your ginger and clove, it will calm that inflammation down, and cloves will throw in antioxidants which will fight that oxidative stress, hence anti-inflammatory. Number 7, it enhances your mood and lowers stress. Now, this one I've observed. The morning when I feel like I'm a bit overwhelmed, or even when I'm okay after working out, if I take cloves and ginger tea, and sometimes if I add cinnamon, it really works very well in calming me down, boosting my mood, and also easing the stress. You see, when you wake up every morning, your body responds to stress. Yeah, it has woken up with a lot of things to do into the to-do list, or maybe you're lacking finances or something, you're just stressed by something, health issues, family issues, etc. When you take this tea, it will calm you down. So it acts like the chamomile tea. So it calms you down, and now you can focus and start your day. If you're going to work, you'll be very composed and productive. If you're working at home, the same will apply. Then finally, this is a bonus one. It will help with your respiratory health. It supports respiratory health. One of the things I like doing when I'm making this tea in the morning or whatever time is just being close to the cooker when it's boiling. It gives us a very good aroma, sweet one, which when you breathe in, it's very therapeutic, and it will clear your airwaves and it will ease congestion. So some people use it from a certain continent. They use it to just clear their spaces in the morning, bring in good aroma, and activate their focus level and improves their productivity. So it's no joke. This is a very good tea combo, ginger and clove tea. You can go for it. Now I've made a shot which I will attach in the description on how to make clove ginger tea. And if that short is what led you to this video, thank you for being here. I'm so glad that you have listened and watched my video. You can always enjoy this type of tea. And thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.